Construct 3 versus Unity, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you build games without unnecessary complexity. Construct 3 offers simplicity, while Unity provides powerful professional-grade tools. Construct 3 and Unity are two popular game engines with very different approaches. Construct 3 focuses on visual scripting and ease of use, while Unity offers a full coding environment with extensive features. The core difference lies in accessibility versus flexibility. Construct 3 is a browser-based game engine designed for rapid game development without coding. It uses a visual event system where users create game logic by selecting conditions and actions, making it ideal for beginners and educators. The platform runs completely online, so no installation is required, and games export easily to web, mobile, and desktop platforms. Construct 3's strengths include its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, quick prototyping, and a supportive community. However, it has limitations in handling complex 3D graphics or highly customized game mechanics, which may restrict advanced developers. The engine is perfect for 2D games, indie developers, educators, and hobbyists who want to focus on design and gameplay without learning programming languages. Its simplicity speeds up development but sacrifices some depth and performance compared to more complex engines. Unity is a powerful, widely used game engine that supports both 2D and 3D game development. It offers a full coding environment primarily based on C, providing developers with deep control over game mechanics, physics, and graphics. Unity supports a vast range of platforms, including consoles, PC, mobile, and VR, making it a versatile choice for professional studios and indie developers alike. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, extensive asset store, and strong community support. Unity's visual editor is complemented by scripting capabilities, enabling the creation of complex, high-performance games. On the downside, Unity has a steeper learning curve and requires programming knowledge, which can slow down beginners. It also demands more powerful hardware for development and testing. Ideal users are professional developers, studios, and those looking to create advanced 3D games or cross-platform experiences. Unity's robust toolset and scalability make it suitable for projects of any size, but it requires commitment to mastering its features. Construct 3 and Unity serve different needs in game development. Construct 3 excels in simplicity and speed, allowing users to create 2D games quickly with minimal technical skills, perfect for educational settings or rapid prototyping. Unity, by contrast, offers unmatched flexibility and power, supporting complex 3D projects and cross-platform deployment. If you want to launch a casual game or learn game design basics, Construct 3 reduces barriers and accelerates workflow. For developers aiming to build commercial-grade titles with advanced graphics and physics, Unity provides the necessary tools but requires coding expertise and more time investment. Trade-offs include Construct 3's limitations in 3D and customization versus Unity's complexity and resource demands. Choosing between them depends on your project scope, skill level, and desired game complexity. Choose Construct 3 if you prioritize ease of use, quick 2D game creation, and minimal coding, especially for learning or small indie projects. Opt for Unity if you need a professional-grade engine capable of handling complex 3D games and cross-platform deployment. Its flexibility and power make it the best choice for serious developers ready to invest time in mastering game development.